On September 11th, 2001, the world changed forever. We will never forget the people who died that day and since, victims of the fallout that comes from heinous acts of violence and terrorism. Let that fateful day always serve to remind us of who we are as Americans, of the values that we hold dearly: life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming?
To the 343 firefighters, 37 NYPD officers, other law enforcement and military personnel that died on September 11, 2001. To the over 2,500 people that died in hijacked planes, the towers, Pentagon, Flight 93. To those who have passed away since. To the survivors that fled from the buildings and surrounding areas. To families and friends, today we pay tribute to you. To the youth that were too young at the time to know what was happening, and to the ones that have been born since. It is our obligation to make sure you know what happened in our country on September 11, 2001. It is your obligation to keep the memories alive and the lessons learned never be forgotten.
The lives that were lost, the people who volunteered, the people that, even the restaurant owners that were giving out water, giving out food, everyone that had a part in it, I just want to say thank you, and God bless you.
I want to leave you with two quotes. The one from past President Barack Obama. He says, "Even the smallest act of service, the simplest act of kindness, is a way to honor those we lost, a way to reclaim the spirit of unity that followed on 9/11. What can we do to make sure that those who laid their life down for us are honored? What can we do to remember those who lost their lives on 9/11?
At about 7:30, I was downtown Fort Lauderdale, running in the Tunnel to Towers 5K, one of the largest 5K runs in the country. And it was started in honor of a man named Stephen Siller, who was a firefighter in New York, who risked his life to save others. Stephen had everything to live for: a great wife, 5 wonderful children, a devoted extended family and friends. His parents were lay Franciscans, and he grew up under the guiding philosophy of St. Francis of Assisi, whose encouraging and inspirational phrase, "While we have time, let us do good," were the words that Stephen lived by. Stephen's life and heroic death serve as a reminder to us all to live life to the fullest and to spend our time here on earth doing good. That is his legacy.
After 24 hours, he got word his wife was okay. Why was his wife okay? Because of the help of strangers, the goodness of strangers that helped this woman get out. He then told me that he dedicated at that point that he was going to do a good deed every day to thank these people, to thank strangers who every day help others, as we have here amongst us, our first responders.